Hey guys, I'm Vasant V. I'm currently pursuing my second year computer science and engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I have currently started a startup called Zonin, which is an educational based startup. My startup has a lot of ideas from YouTube channel to e-learning platform and much more. So this YouTube channel is also a part of my startup. In this video, I'll be telling you about what my YouTube channel is going to have in the future as well as now. So today we will be releasing our Java tutorials in English and Tamil. So make sure that you share this to your friends and juniors who want to learn Java. I guarantee that I won't disappoint you, it will be good. So the reason why I started this is because of my experience I got from my first year. In my first year, my seniors as well as my faculties told me like you should go to hackathon and you should learn these stuffs, you should do these stuffs, you should do an internship. But the first question which arises to me is that how can I do this? While going to a hackathon is fine, but what should I do in that hackathon? I don't know any app development or web development. I don't know anything. I just know coding. So it took me around 6 to 8 months to learn that I don't need to have any expert level knowledge to go to an hackathon. I can always go and learn and do those stuffs out there. But it took me around 6 to 8 months to even recognize that, and later on I applied for some of my hackathons, and then the COVID quarantine came, so it was all a mess. But I don't want my juniors to suffer the same fate. So I'm trying to do YouTube videos on tutorials, interviews with the various people who have achieved a lot, boot camps, projects, and much more, so that my juniors or my friends will make benefit from that and they will learn and they won't have any doubt or they won't have any hesitation in doing that, because I want to help them and I want to guide them. So basically this YouTube channel is purely for the welfare of the students. Coming to what we are trying to address through this YouTube channel is we want to empathize um, practical learning than the theoretical knowledge. So all our videos is going to be simultaneously coding while teaching or simultaneously showing the demo while teaching. So that's how we are going to do our videos, and so that you can easily implement them. And we are planning to have our tutorials well organized, clear, concise, and so simple so that the people who find it difficult to understand might understand it much easier. We are trying to make the average students learn easily. So that's our main aim. We want to uplift all the students, not only the bright students. Our main target is the students who find it difficult to learn a lot of complicated stuff. So we are trying to help them. Coming to what is the specialty of our channel is, there are two things. First is we are not going to do videos only in the CS field, but we are also trying to do videos in all the other fields. You can ask me like how can I do videos in mechanical or EEE or something. So there are a lot of things like MATLAB, AutoCAD, Arduino coding which we can practically do and teach the people. So we are trying to do those stuffs right now. But we are starting off with the CS field because we don't have the people to do those videos. But later we will be recruiting the people, and this is one main specialty of our channel. And the second main specialty is we are trying to do videos in every possible languages of India. Right now we have people who know English and Tamil, but we will be recruiting people who can do videos in their own native languages like Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, etc. etc. The main reason which I'm doing these in all these languages is because I feel that when somebody teaches you in your mother tongue, you find it much easier than when somebody teaches you in English. Like I'm a Tamilan, and when somebody teaches me in Tamil medium, like when they speak through Tamil, I find it much easier to understand. So I think there are a lot of people out there like me. So this is especially for them. So these are the specialties of our channel. We are trying to do practical tutorials. We are trying to do tutorials in every other fields, and we are also trying to do tutorials in many languages possible. So that's all I wanted to tell to you guys. This is especially for the benefit of the students, So make sure you share this to your friends and juniors. And if you are interested to be a part of our team, if you want to mentor in our channel, then you can reach out to me through LinkedIn. I have given my LinkedIn link in my description. So you can be able to, if you know Hindi better and if you know concept better, then you can do videos in our channel itself. So but we will have a small interview round that's gonna be simple, and if you crack it in, you will be a part of our team. That's all about this video. I have told what I wanted to tell. Maybe I will do some video when the requirement comes. Right now, just enjoy my Java tutorial, which I'll be launching in around 8 p.m. Thank you.